Shesha. Hey, hi, in this video we are going to take a look at OSINT on Twitter accounts. So first thing that you'll need is a Google Cloud Console, and don't worry, you can use the free one. So as you can see, I've just created. In case if you don't have an account, you can go on the channel and check the previous videos where we created an account for cloud access. So Google Cloud is basically quite simple, and you will be able to use to the full potential. So let me just show you. You just have to click on the console button on the top right side. It's for Google Shell, and the button is on the top right side. Once you click on it, you have to authenticate yourself by logging into your Google account which you have used, and once you do that, you will be able to use Shell on Google Cloud. So this is how it usually looks like. And now what needs to be done is, now we are going to move forward and we are going to install the GitHub library for Twitter. So for X there is an OSINT Twitter. For Twitter there is an OSINT technology available which is on GitHub. All the links will be in the resources or in the description of this video. So the first command will be to clone the same, and the command that I'm going to use is git clone -- depth is equal to 1, and then the GitHub repository link. So if you want the link of the repository, I'll just add it in the description. It's quite simple. It is github.com/Twint. The software is Twint, and the owner of the repository is Twint project. So you just have to enter the details, and once you hit enter, you will notice that it is downloaded, or GitHub repository is basically cloned in your system. Now GitHub repository is basically what we need for now, because it has all the details. Now we can just type in cd twint, that is to change the directory. We are inside the Twint folder. Now we need to install some tools. By default, the Cloud Shell already has Python 3 and pip3 environment. So I'll just enter the command pip3 install.-r requirements.txt. So whatever inside the requirements.txt file, all the modules will be installed. Now this is how you can use this library. You can just type in twint -u, the username you want to scrap details, -u -s, and then the name of the search that you are doing. Let's say if you want to search how many times I have tweeted forensic, so I'll do that. Then you can check all the posts of Twitter user previously that they had. You can also find all the tweets that are saved in a text file. You can find usernames and phone numbers inside Twitter, and you can also display tweets by verified user. It is really useful, so you can just work around with it. And some of the commands are really good for forensic investigation. Let's say if you find a message from some a random guy, and if you use digital forensic, you'll be able to get details using Twint. So you can also check for files and various other things. So the detail are pretty simple. I'll just add the link in the description and in the resource folder, and go ahead, you can give it a try. It does not require any X account. By the way, don't forget to scan the QR code on the left hand side to join our WhatsApp group.